Elite Eagles Club,
Ito isa lang ako, B.
Kuya Rogelio C. Oro, Club Charter President, Charter Officers of and members of the United Supreme Elite Eagles Club, Kuya Arthur Alexis S. Bucayo, Club Charter President, Charter Officer and member of Maharlika Elite Eagles Club, Kuya Amado Guerrero C. Capta, Club Charter President, Charter Officers and member of the Cavite Prime Elite Eagles Club, Kuya Ruel R. Taladhay, Club Charter President, Charter Officer and member of Cavite Prime Elite Eagles Club, Ate Mary Glory K.M. Oro, Club Charter President, Charter Officer and members of United Supreme Elite Lady Eagles Club, Ate Evangeline E. Javier, Club Charter President, Charter Officer and member of United Diplomat Elite Lady Eagles Club, Ate Vili P. Espago Oro, Club Charter President, Charter Officer and member of Bacoor Patriot Lady Eagles Club, by this charter grant, which has been bestowed upon your clubs, I hereby declare your club